Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today I am gonna make a big batch of cabbage soup. I know it is super hot outside. It is almost summer. Summer is here. It's about 100 degrees right now in California, but I love to make this cabbage soup and do a detox with it. Right before summer starts, it just makes you feel so good to eat all these veggies and do a nice detox right before summertime hits. So I'm gonna make this soup. It is so good and so filling with tons of great vegetables. So it is gonna have, I have some already chopped up coleslaw mix that I'm gonna use for my cabbage instead of just chopping up a head of cabbage. So cabbage is really great, really low calorie, high in fiber, lots of antioxidants. So cabbage is really great. I have some carrots, tons of vitamins in carrots, love them. Bell pepper, delicious. I have celery in this soup. Celery is really great for digestion. I have some minced up garlic, I have some crushed tomatoes, and I have chicken broth. And I'm gonna use a low sodium chicken broth. I always like to choose that one instead of regular, but that's your preference. So I'm gonna make this really good cabbage detox soup to have ready to go. I'm gonna make it on the stove in my Dutch oven, and then I like to portion everything out, as you know, for my meal prepping. So I like to use mason jars to portion soup into, so it's really great, really easy to store them, and it's a perfect serving size to have ready for soup. So I will put the recipe for all of this in the description box. Super easy, super healthy, and it'll be ready to go for the week. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and click the bell button as well so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of meal prepping coming up, so make sure you click that bell button so that you get a notification each time there is a new video. All right, I will get this soup ready to go for the week. All right, so my cabbage soup is cooked and I've let it cool. So now I'm going to portion it into my mason jars. I love making all kinds of things and storing it in my mason jars, like my salads that I layer up in mason jars, but these are really great. So I love also putting soup into my mason jars. You can store these in the refrigerator, or also they're really convenient to store in the freezer. So I am going to portion all the soup into my mason jars and it'll be ready to go for the week. All right, so my soup is portioned out, ready to go. This big pot made 6 really good big servings. So I am ready to go with this detox cabbage soup. Really great way to detox before a long weekend. So I like to have this at the beginning of summer and beginning of all kinds of extra outings. So this is really delicious. I will put the recipe in the description box if you want to make it. Really easy, like I said, and really great way to detox for a few days. So check that out if you want to make this one. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I hope that you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.